How's it going, everyone? So we're back again, start of a new growing season. First of all, I just want to say I hope everyone is keeping safe in these crazy times. It's a mad time we live in right now. But yeah, the garden hasn't had too much work done to it, but we have started. This is pretty much all ready to go. Got the wildflower section here. Just got to do a lot of repotting. Dug loads of soil out of this little compost heap here. Got rid of the stones. All ready to go. These rainbow tomatoes here, looking pretty healthy. Had a nice head start. But yeah, keep safe, everyone.